So this is my recorded video and you are watching my recorded class. I'm not taking the online class because of some network issues and due to the mobile issue. I'm recording this class. Sorry for that. Last year also I came in the middle, but this year I got the opportunity to take you the first class. As you aware that last year I came in the middle in the month of September and I took the online classes for you. So for my luckiness, uh, I'm taking the first online class of this academic year for you, but this is a recorded video. So in last month also I have taken the class, but that is a pre-class, that means bridge courses. So this is the official class for your 7th standard. Um, okay, whatever the problem, but keep moving on in the life is a motive of the life, and we should learn something from the things whatever we have with us. Okay, you know that what the English subject is, because in 6th standard you have studied the same pattern will be continued in your 7th standard too. In the 6th standard you had a two textbooks. In 7th standard also you have a two textbook. So one is honeycomb, another one is an alien hand. So honeycomb is a main textbook. So in that there are 10 chapters and 9 poems. And another textbook is the supplementary textbook, that name is an alien hand. In that there are 10 story lessons, 10 story lessons, so that you will learn by yourself, but I will narrate the story and also I will ask you to narrate the story. So one thing is, I hope all of you have collected the textbook from the Basavangudi school office. Still, if you have not collected, so go to the office and collect the textbook. So because when we are taking the class, so you should have the textbook, especially the language textbook you should have. So I told there are two textbooks. For that two textbooks, what kind of notebooks is you have to keep? You have to keep. So I will say the first one is notebook. So like you will call that as a classwork. Classwork means so writing the question and answer of the prose and poems. So that is classwork or notebook. So that should be one for the both two books. So keep only one notebook for the both two textbooks, for the alien ant and also for the honeycomb. Keep only one classwork. So if it finishes we can go to the next one. So because in English there will be a no much questions, so there will be a very short questions. So that is a story learning and I hope you will learn very easily and fastly. That's why keep only one notebook. So if it finishes soon, so we can go to the second one, means you can keep the second notebook. So another one is homework. So you know that I give you the homework after every class. So that's why you should keep a separate homework book for the English. Okay, one is classwork, another one is homework book, and another one is copywriting. Copywriting. So I have given you the homeworks. So in holidays to write a copywriting daily. So this will be continued. So if the pages are left in that note, in that copywriting book only, keep the same book for this year. So if it is emptied, so then keep a new copywriting book for the 7th standard for writing the English copywriting. So that is one is classwork, another one is homework book, another one is English copywriting. So and we are planned, is it right? So there will be a 4 days the textbook lessons, one day is a grammar, and the 6th day is a test. A test. So it may be on the basis of textbook or it may be on the basis of the grammar. So that's why you need to keep one test book. What is that? Test book. To write the test, you have to keep a notebook for writing the test. So mainly how many? Four. One is classwork, another one is homework book, another one is copywriting, another one is test book. So you have to keep 4 notebooks for the English subject. So that you have to do. So and I told that if you have not collected, go and collect. So that is what from my subject you have to keep. And also one more is 5th book, grammar notebook. So in your 6th standard also I told you to keep a grammar notebook. If you have kept or if you were writing the grammar points in a grammar notebook, so you just keep the same book for the 7th standard also. If you have not written the grammar points in the grammar book, or if you have not attended, or if you lost that notebook, so you are going to keep a new notebook for the grammar points. So mainly 5 notebooks you have to keep for the English subject. How many? 5. Okay, apart that, now let us come to the introductory class of the English lessons. So first I will start from the honeycomb. The first lesson, the 3 questions. First lesson, the 3 questions. So before going to the lesson, let us talk about one thing. So that thing is, do you know Sir M. Vishveshwaraya? Sir M. Vishveshwaraya. So he's a sculptor of Mysuru. So he's the important person in developing the Mysuru state. So Mysuru state means the kingdom which was before the Karnataka state. So he told that plan or perish. Plan or perish. So what it means is, so for doing anything you have to keep a plan. For doing anything you have to keep a plan. If you are not planning, you are going to destroy yourself. You are going to destroy yourself, or you are going to ruin your life. So that is what he said. So he said that for the economy. So economy means you know that as a state or as a family or as a person, to lead our life or to grow ourselves, what do we want? We want a money. Is it right? So I want to construct a very good looking house means I want money. So on that basis he told that plan or perish. Plan or perish. So for earning the money, or for the income of a state, or for the income of the person, so we have to make a plan. After that we have to act according to the plan. So this is the thought. So that thought is related to today's class. So today's class is, I told, the 3 questions. So this story is written by Tolstoy. So he was a great story writer of English language. So this is imaginary story, and also this is very useful for our life. So once there was a king was living. So he thought that if he find the answer for the 3 questions, if he find the answers for the 3 questions, he would lead, or he would rule, or he would administrate the state peacefully, or without any problem. Without any problem. So that's why what he did. So he thought that I have to find the answer. So this is also part of a plan. This is also what? A part of plan. So that's why he thought that, so if he find the answer for that 3 questions, he would lead the state, or he would rule the state very peacefully or without any problems. So that's why he sent the messengers all over the state to get the answer for the 3 questions. So now I don't say that what are that 3 questions. So you read the textbook and find the 3 questions and send me through the WhatsApp. So who have sent, or who will send those 3 questions to me, so I will put attendance for them. So because, so you are going to read and you are listening to my class. Yeah, what I told. So he sent messenger to find or to fetch somebody who can answer to this question, and also he declared that, so he will give a huge money. So that also huge gift for the person who will answer to his question. So second homework is, you have to find what gift the king announced to give to the person who answers to that question. The second question, what I told now, there was a king. So he thought that if he find the answers for the 3 questions, so he can lead, or he can rule the state very peacefully, or he can lead without any problems. So that's why what he did. So he sent the messengers. So messengers means, in the last class we have studied in 6th standard, spies and messengers. So they will give information to everybody and to the king. So he sent them. They went, and so many people came and they answered in front of a king, but their answers were not satisfied to the king. He didn't give any reward to them. So once he thought that, see, so many, the saint came, the physicians, the scientists, the astrologists, the philosopher, everybody came, but they didn't give the proper answer, or that answer which can convince or which can satisfy the king, they didn't give. So that's why himself he went in a disguised dress. So disguised dress means, so he went as like a stranger, as like a roamer, as like a passenger. He went, and then once he got tired, and he went to the ashrama, kind of a ashrama. So there a saint was living. So there he went, and he spoke with the saint, but saint said that he asked the three questions, but the saint didn't answer to his three questions, but he made him to find the answers himself to the questions that king asked. Yeah, there he worked, the king worked on behalf of the saint, and for the king, so there was a past memory or a past story. So what was the past story was, the person, so one person came to kill the king, but he got wounded. The person who came to kill the king got wounded by himself, or in the fight between king and that man. So man told one story that once the king had killed killed and conquered his brother's property. To take a revenge, that man came and he tried to kill the king. But what the king did, the king saved man, the king saved man, and he treated him. He treated him. So after that, the man became the more loyal to the king, and he asked the king to be his personal guard. The king accepted him, and also he told that I will send my own doctors for your treatment, and also I will give the property so that I conquered from your brother. He promised to return the property of his brother, and also he promised to send the doctors of his own, as like we have a family doctors, is it right? So like that, for a king family there will be a separate doctors. So he said that I will send the royal doctors to your treatment. So after that, before leaving, finally the king asked the saint to answer to his question at least. So the saint says that I don't have anything to say, but you have found the answers yourself. So what are those answers and what are those questions? We will learn in the next class, but this is a pre-work for you. So what is that pre-work? So you have to read the textbook and you have to find the answer for the 3 to 4 questions. The first question is, what are those 3 questions that king wanted to know, and what the answers the saint gave to him, and what is the reward announced by the king to give to the person who answers to his questions. So read the textbook and find. And you know that in the 6th standard also we were making the same routine for every chapters in the English language. So what is that? So you have to read the textbook, you have to find the verb, you have to find the suffix and prefix of in the given chapter. So that's what you have to continue the same thing here also. So write it and you will send to my WhatsApp number. So who are going to send, so they will be marked as a present, so otherwise I will not mark. So if you have any doubt, you watch the video again and you will get the answers. Okay, yeah, fine. Here I'm closing, and again I'm asking sorry for not taking the online class, but tomorrow or on Saturday onwards I will take the regular online classes. There you can ask me the questions directly and also I can answer you. So there only we can clear the